Okay, the question is, how can you look online and determine what physical therapy practice is the right one for you? There's a lot of different things you want to look at and look at the website. One is you want to be able to pull up each therapist and read a little bit about that therapist, what their specialty is, what their background is, and see if their background and their skills seem to fit what you need, or their personality is what they need. It's a very personal, very close relationship between you and your therapist. So it's a big decision. So you can call, you can talk to them, you can come in, you can interview, but look for that on the website. You'll see that on our website. I proudly display all of my therapists there. Something else you can look at is you can kind of tell how successful a clinic or a therapist is. It's one of those adages, I guess, if you build it, they will come, or if you build it right, they will come. I started out as a one-man practice, and as I did good work and got popular, more patients came in and I needed some help, so I brought in another great partner, and that person got successful on their own. They got their own following, and that grew and became bigger, and then that's how my company has grown. We never had a growth plan. It's just if you hire good and do good work, more people come, and you have to staff and be prepared for that. So if you look at some clinics, you'll see mine. So we've got 2 locations and over 13 therapists. That actually is a pretty huge successful practice. If you look at other practices and they have 5 or 6 locations, but they have only 5 or 6 therapists, that means each location has not been successful, has not built up a following, or so they haven't had to grow. So if you're good, if a clinic is good, there is forced growth. And also if you look at a website and they don't even have their therapists up there, that they're not proud of that, they're not celebrating who they are, they're not letting you know who they are, or their staff and the therapists don't stay there long enough to continue to update the website, that's a red flag. So it's personable. Look for them on the website, and they should be growing if they're good. And there's a lot more to look at too. We'll follow up on that later.